Hey superstars, today I will be showing you how I recreated my client who is currently going through chemo hairstyle with a lace front wig. This is a tutorial from beginning to finish of how I dyed and streaked her hair blue. That's her hair, and this is the wig. This is the front, and then I'm going to show you the side and the back. And also I will be gifting 2 wigs in a giveaway to deserving chemo clients or alopecia clients. So if you want to know anything about that, stay tuned and I will show you everything right after this.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Mz Magic, back with a very special video. Today I will be taking this lace front wig unit and I will be dyeing it, streaking it blue for my client who is going through chemo right now. We're going to recreate her real hairstyle because her hair was her crown and glory. So until it grows back, we're going to just recreate it with this wig. So with this unit, I already bleached the knots, which you can see in my last video. So we're just going to jump right into coloring it, streaking it. And so I'll show you what I did right after this. But this is a 14-inch unit with brown lace, so it's already a nice color. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the wig. After I have bleached the knots and I washed it and blow dried it out straight. I just blow dried it because I didn't have time to air dry it. So we're gonna get started. That's after I bleached the knots. I'm just showing you the natural part before we get started. She wears it on the left side of her hair. So now let's get started actually streaking the hair. Okay, and for this, I used the BW2 and 50 volume developer. I cut the hole a little wider on that top because sometimes the lightener gets thickened up. I am just using a little bit of what I had left from when I bleached the knots. And then I'm going to put some more powder in it, 2 scoops, level off 2 scoops. 1 and 2. And then I'm going to put about 4 ounces of 50 developer in there. Now this time you want it to be a little loose because you want it to come through. So you shake it thoroughly. Make sure it's loose so that it comes off that top. I need it a little bit more. So we're going to shake it a little bit more. And now we're going to start dyeing. I have no rhyme or reason how I do this, but I separate the wig into 2 parts. And then I kind of just take the lightener and just make long strips. Oh, you can see what I'm doing right here. I am going fast, you all, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the description box. That's the first layer. So now I'm going to take a tail comb. I am not taking the streaks all the way to the part. And I just take a tail comb and I comb the streaks through. It looks exactly what I'm saying I'm doing. It looks like streaks. So once I comb that through, then you're going to comb down that top layer. Use the bottom of the tail comb and do the exact same thing. Make lines, just like that, streaks, and then we're going to comb that through. Just like it says, we're going to streak it through. Make sure you are wearing gloves at all times because bleach is very toxic and will burn you. So there you go. Now what I do is I take the whole unit, pick it up by the scalp, and just lay it flat. Once I comb all that through, get your plastic cap and turn it over to the side. Then kind of roll it. Well, I want to get a little bit more of that ends. Roll it like I'm doing now and put it in the plastic cap. I usually put it in the hooded dryer at the shop, but I realized I wasn't at the shop and my blow dryer doesn't work like that. So, my hair dryer doesn't work like that. So I had to manually blow dry it with a blow dryer, which wasn't bad. It's going to take a hot little minute. But that's okay. You can see it's processing now. I want to do a little bit more. You want it to be lighter than light brown You don't want to get it too blonde because that hair is not going to get light blonde anyway without frying. So now there you go. It's a blonde color. We're going to go ahead and rinse all of that out, and we're going to shampoo it 2 to 3 times. Just make sure you get all the dye out. Disclaimer, guys, it will be smoking when you take it out of that plastic bag. Don't worry, don't be alarmed. It's going to be hot. Make sure you have your gloves on. It's going to be hot like you just took it out of a stove. That is the chemical reaction of the bleach. It just gets hot. So once you washed your unit 2 to 3 times, take a wide tooth comb and comb it through. And now you're basically done, and we are ready to start the color process, the blue, or whatever color you want to do it. But as you see, we're all streaked up. Okay, so now we're going to be using the watercolor method. You're going to take a big bowl and fill it halfway up with warm water. I am using Indigo Blue, Viador, Express Hair Color, Midnight Blue, and Temptation Sapphire. Okay, so now I'm mixing up all 3 and stirring it up. Okay, you're going to take your hair and you're going to dip it. You're going to just bathe it. Do not submerge the scalp because you're going to tint the scalp that you just bleached. You don't want to do that, which I kind of did, but don't worry about it. I just clip it over to the side. So I'll let the hair sit in the mixture for about 15-20 minutes. And if I'm going too fast, once again, ask me any questions below and I will answer them. So I'm cleaning up my little area. And like I said, I did dip my scalp too much, but you do want it to get colored all the way up, but you don't want that scalp to go. So now I'm done. I'm just rinsing out all of the color. And like I said, I think I let that sit for 15-20 minutes. As long as the water is warm, it will penetrate the hair fast. So let's rinse all of that out. If you want to, you can go ahead and put a little conditioner in it. There we go. And then comb it through. And that'll just make sure the hair softens back up. I use the all-seed conditioner. I'll list all the products below too that I used. Okay, so now I'm just towel drying it a little bit to get all of the moisture out the hair. As you see, the hair is nice and blue. Like I said, you don't want to go all the way up to the scalp. So if you notice you missed a little bit of the scalp, go ahead and put a little bit of rinse in there. It won't hurt it, just a little, and comb that through the little scalp part. You don't have to wash it over or condition it, just put it through. It'll be okay. Okay, so now I'm done with that, and I am blow drying the unit. As you see, nice and blue. Now I have put a little setting lotion on it and let that sit overnight. So now we are ready. She is ready to go. We are now cutting her ends, and we're going to layer her hair because her hair is layered. So that's what I'm doing now, just trimming those ends. I'm gonna keep the length. And when you are doing the wig, try to keep it as long as possible if it's your client, because she can always just like keep bringing the wig back to get it washed and curled, recolored, and you're probably gonna need to trim her ends because she probably don't, did whatever with that wig. So let's keep the wig as long as possible the first time, and as the time goes on, you'll have to cut more and more, so it will get shorter. Okay, so once we layer and clip all of the ends that we want to, you want the hairstyle. Like I said, I am trying to recreate my client's hair, so I need to cut it just like I cut her hair, just a little longer. Okay, I'm going to do the baby hairs now. Trim those little baby hairs down. And now I'm going to start curling the hair. And I am literally going to curl it exactly the way that I used to curl her hair. Okay, superstars, while I'm curling, I'm going to talk about this giveaway. It was literally put on my heart the night before I started editing this video to be a blessing. I will be giving away 2 wigs to either a chemo patient or a severe alopecia patient. All you need to do is follow me on here and also on Instagram. If you do not have an Instagram, you may email me. All of that is in my about page, and I will list it down below. And just email me or Instagram me a picture of your hair, the way you had it before chemo or your alopecia started, and then why you want a wig. And basically, I'm going to choose 2 winners from that. However, these wigs are available for purchase. They do start at $500, but if you are an alopecia client or a chemo client, I'll do one for $200, and that is super cheap. So, but I will be announcing the winners sometime maybe in the 1st of June, because I want to give time to people to enter this contest and see this video. So what I really need you to do, if you are entering the contest, is to comment below entered, and then just follow the instructions that I have given. And also, anybody else who knows a person in need, feel free to donate them a wig. You can use my PayPal, you can use my Zelle, and you can use my Cash App. And you can send me the payment and tell me who you're donating the wig to and why, and I'll do it that way as well. But like I say, if this is a 14-inch, it starts at $500. I will do a wig for $200 for anybody who is experiencing alopecia or chemo, but I will need to see your hair. So good luck, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the finished look. I am about to take this wig to my client so that she can see it and put it on. I think I did a good job. What do you all think? I think it looks exactly like her hair. I am very pleased, and I cannot wait to make more of these wigs. Oh my goodness. Now I'm just cutting off the lace, and like I said, I'm going to get this beautiful unit to the deserving person who is the new owner of the wig. Give a little, take a little, but you only take it all the time. You got me twisted, dot my T's and cross my eyes. I'm in denial, it's too late to compromise. I love you, I mean it if you do. Tell me what's sipping the same brew. Hooked on the Kool-Aid, I'm thirsty for good news. I love you more than I love myself, boy, and I love myself way too fucking. And those of you who know me, I make my clients shake their hair when they get it done. All right, guys, that's the finished product. Let's get on over to Kia's house. Alright guys, so I'm super excited. We're on our way to go give this unit to the owner. I'm gonna put some more curls in there when I get there. Let's go. Yeah, I just wanted y'all to see a little bit of this blue on the outside. See how beautiful it is on the outside, because I ain't been outside and she can't come outside. So, that's that bad Joko in the sunlight. In the sunlight, she cold. Alright, let's go give it to her. Alright guys, so now I'm just showing her the proper way to put it on, so she'll know how to do it by herself without me. Put the band around there, because her head is so little, the wig is a little bit bigger, so the band helps out with that at all, and I can't put any glue on her scalp, so it holds the wig securely in place. So now she knows how to do it. You just put the band on and you just flip it, and you make sure the part is where you want it to be. Okay guys, she knows how to put her new girlfriend on, and we're going to straighten her out and put some edge control, and you're about to see the new Kia in now. What? Lace Wig. Come on, man. That's the old Kia, I know. But we still gotta go one better. We gonna darken up her eyebrows a little bit. I'm gonna put a little mascara on her and some eyeliner, because I still gotta put her eyelashes on. We didn't have the glue. So now you're really about to see the new Kia in 5, 4, 3, 2. Bam! There she goes. That's the smile I missed. I'm tearing up. That is the Kia that I missed. That's that beautiful smile right there. She's so beautiful. Look at her, y'all. Woo, all in my feelings. But anyway, did I do a good job, y'all? Did I recreate the style? I think I did a great job. Okay, guys, don't forget to tell everybody about the contest. If you liked this video, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be alerted. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye.